Today we're going to be upgrading this BMW M4 using GTA style car mods. Let's go. We've got the M4 and we're currently inside of Los Santos Customs. This is the real life version of Los Santos.
GTA, you can equip different musical horns, and we got ourselves our own musical horn. So we're gonna remove this part in my M4. So we're just gonna put them there with double-sided tape, and hopefully it will work.
Now this musical horn uses an air compressor, and to use it from the interior, we're gonna have to hook it up to a button and feed the wires through. But first we tested to see if the horn actually worked, and it definitely did. Now we knew the horn worked, we left it to the garage to fit all of the wires to the interior, and the next day it was complete, so here's the finished result.
That's so funny, man. Go on, try it, man.
So we've got the GTA horn attached to this bottom. So now we're in a tunnel and we're gonna test it so you guys can see how loud it actually is. Later on in this video, we're gonna get people's reactions.
So for the next mod, we're going to try and replicate tyre smoke. We're going to be using my car so we don't mess up Eric's tyres. And you can see I've got this powder here and I've taped it onto the tyres. Right, here we go. I'm going to try and attempt it. I've never actually done a burnout in this car before. I've got to turn the traction fully off and try and get the balance right. Oh my god, it's working. It's working. No way. I'm going to try this again tomorrow with more powder. Now we've got pink and purple powder bags that we're going to try. This is a third and final attempt. Right, this isn't going to work. On to the next GTA mod. God damn it. Okay, so on GTA you can get Underglow, so that's what we're going to be doing next. We're going to be putting an Underglow system on this car. I think we're going to stick this one here on the front, and then we've got the side ones as well, and then we got to wire this through the boot.
So the Underglow has very strong adhesive strips on the back, so all we're doing now is sticking the Underglow to the front splitter. And the length was perfect for the front splitter. It was like it was meant to be.
That's perfect, isn't it? Yeah. That's literally a perfect length. Right, so we got this one on, the front one. Now we've got to do the side one, so let's do that right now.
We fed the wire through here, and now we have to clean all of this so we can stick this on here.
To ensure the side Underglow stuck properly, we used brake cleaner to clean off all the dirt.
Now we're going to put on the side Underglow. We are professionals at this.
Yeah, we'll use a heat gun as well, right?
Yeah, hope the adhesive stick a lot better. But this adhesive seems pretty good.
How much was this off your store?
Off my store? You know what, I'm going to leave a discount.
No way.
If you use code GTA, you'll get a discount on this item.
No way.
Yes, yes way. So now all we've got to do is do this side, and then we're going to wire it up to the boot. So as you can see, we've finally got the Underglow working, and it looks a lot better than we thought it was going to. So at the moment we got to set to RGB, and this is it with artificial lights around.
I'll show you more of the Underglow later, because right now we need to get straight into the next GTA mod.
So on GTA, you can fit a tracker to your vehicle. So if another player steals your vehicle, you can see where it is on the map. And that's what we're going to be doing for the next GTA mod. You can see we've got this. It's an OBD car finder, and it uses Find My iPhone. And then we've got this, which is a smart key. So you can see when I press this button, it's an actual screen, and you can even use it. So it's touch screen. And once I plug this in, we'll even be able to control the car with these buttons. So all we're going to do is plug this into the OBD reader, and it should make a noise. Right, there we go. Let's listen. There we go, it made the little noise. That's very good. That means our car's now being tracked on Find My iPhone. And now we can also use this key to unlock the car. But let's test the tracker in a real GTA scenario. So as you guys can see, I've now got it on my app. So if someone does steal the car, everything should be fine. But hopefully that doesn't happen, because I'm not 100% sure if this will work yet. But you can see you've got... Wait! No! Someone's... No! No! He just took the car. What the hell? He's literally just taken the vehicle and gone. Okay, so I've just got a notification and it's just been updated. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's just around the corner from us. So I'm gonna go there now and get him. So on GTA, you can have custom license plates, and that's what we've done here. You can see this is an actual GTA license plate. So here you can see it says Retaliate. It's actually 3D letters, and it says San Andreas, which is where Los Santos is. It's got the date and whatever this little thing is. I think it's like the road tax thing. So yeah, we've got a real GTA license plate. I think here will look good, so hopefully this will stick. Yes, a GTA license plate. The next GTA mod is something called a matrix LED sign. And you may have seen these on social media before. This is huge LED sign and you can make it say tons of different things and it should stick onto glass. So yeah, you can see it sticks on perfectly. Do you think we should put it on the back? And that way you can put messages harassing people. Right, so we've got everything plugged in. Now when we switch this on, we close the boot. Let's see if it works. And yes, it's upside down, but give me a second. I'm gonna go on my phone and sort this out. So look, we go on the LED app here. It should all connect. And now if we go on here and we change mirror display, look there, we fixed it. I'm not sure how good this looks on camera, but it looks really good. So all the lights are off and now you can see it a lot better. This is the flipping off one. Here's the wanted one, the GTA 5-star one. And then say you want to race someone and cause some trouble, you can select this one. This one might take a few seconds. And look at that. Want a race? So yes, you can challenge anyone to a race now and cause some proper mayhem on the roads. I can even do custom text. Oh my god, what does that say? Subscribe. Anyway, let's get straight into the next GTA 5 mod.
Now, obviously on GTA, you can tune your vehicles, and that's exactly what Eric did next.
Alright, so now it's time to do a stage 1 in this beautiful M4. So as you can see, we plugged the OBD cable in and it's connected to my laptop. We're gonna go on the stage 1 and we're gonna flash it. So it's doing it, finishing up, so we'll almost have it. Alright, so as you can see, it says flashed successfully. So we're good, we have a stage 1 now and we're gonna see how good it is.
Now the car mods are complete, we have to test out some GTA style scenarios. GTA stands for Grand Theft Auto, meaning stealing vehicles. So now we're going to steal an abandoned vehicle using the M4. And now it's time for scenario 2, scaring NPCs.
Yeah, go and do it, fuck them. How about these ones? That guy looks like he's snorting a line of coke.
Scenario 3 is driving around and flexing your car mods on the lower ranked players. Now thanks to the garage at the beginning of the video, we were able to upgrade Eric's M4 using GTA type mods. And the funny thing is, they're actually called LS Engineering. So if you live anywhere near Andorra, make sure to check them out. And also thanks to Eric for letting us use his M4 for today's video. And he's actually going to be doing extreme testing on his M4 in a week or so. So make sure you subscribe to his channel. And some of the mods featured in today's video are actually for sale on our website. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel because the content we post next year will be insane. And we're trying to get to 100k. Anyway, that's it for today's video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.